Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along on my fridge cleaning journey. This is going to be a little bit of a nap time power hour, nap time hustle if you will. My baby girl's going to be asleep for about another hour or so before we go and pick up big brother from school. So I figured I would get my fridge clean out done. I have my weekly chores that I do, but I like to throw one or two bigger chores onto the list that I do maybe, seasonally or so. It's been just a little bit since I've done a real big clean out of my fridge, and it's definitely going to be time. It's not disgusting or anything in there, as you'll see, but there are some shelves that probably need to be scrubbed down a little bit, and we're going to have some food clean out as well. Disclosure, you're going to see me throwing away a little bit of food. I really don't like wasting food. It breaks my heart. I spent our hard-earned money on that, right? But we had our AC unit go out last week, and because it was very hot in the house, we were unable to use our oven or our stove for a couple of days without dying of heat exhaustion. So we did lose some of the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and get those out of there and throw them out. Tomorrow's trash day in our neighborhood, so this is perfect. All right, before we do the before of the fridge, let's go ahead and talk about the products we're gonna use today. Method spray, of course. Method all-purpose cleaning spray. I am going to use the pink grapefruit scent. I love it. It smells really, really good. It's really great for things like shelves and like the glass in the refrigerator and that sort of thing. As I mentioned, we don't have very much caked on to the shelves or anything like that. There were a couple spills that recently happened that I want to get super clean. So I am going to use a silicone scrubber for those. But for the most part, I'm just going to use some cleaning cloths. I have a couple of these metal cooling containers that we had in our deep freezer for a while, and we don't really need them in there anymore. So I'm going to use those for things like yogurt and cheeses and that sort of thing. Okay, we don't have a lot of time, so let's go ahead and get started.
I'm going to start this process by cleaning out the current contents of the fridge and just kind of separating it into two different piles. On my counter behind me, I'm going to have my keep pile and then my throwaway pile. I really, really hope that there's not going to be much that has to be thrown away. I know there's a couple things right off the bat, but I hope we can salvage most of it.
Something better. Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish. When you're way too humble, might be overzealous, getting you in trouble.
Wow, I did not realize that we had so many condiments and sauces. My goodness.
Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had.
I have the fridge itself cleaned out, which I'll show you in just a second, but there's really not much I'm throwing away. We're keeping all of this stuff. Just a few things back there. The lettuce is the dividing line. Just a few things back there that are kind of old that we're gonna dump. Unfortunately, we're gonna lose our mushrooms. That's one of the things we did not get to throw into a recipe this last week. I also got my sauces and tonight's spaghetti squash over there. We're gonna organize that and it's all gonna go back into here. We'll do our cheese drawer next, by the way. Haven't forgotten that. But as you can see, it's not too bad. Just your normal, that one's kind of dirty, but just your normal grime and wear and tear here. So let's get this thing clean.
Or just the best you've ever had. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit.
I really love this all-purpose method spray for the glass and the plastic in the refrigerator. I feel like it cleans it all pretty evenly, and it really touches up well with a microfiber cleaning cloth. That is what I would definitely suggest using if you're going to do this process.
Something better. Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish.
Anybody else buy this same Samsung fridge like 5 to 8 years ago that has this little extra door in the front? Do you ever actually use it? We rarely do.
Steady.
didn't realize how much that right side door would be bothering me, hitting me this entire time, but we'll work around it.
Or just the best you've ever had. I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay, don't mind the way I.
This shelf was really only the one that had any caked on grime that I had to use the silicone scrubber on. You'll see another one down in the freezer when we get there, but not too bad this time around.
'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. I know you're wrong 'cause you're scared of love.
Super happy with this so far. Pretty clean. Now I am going to tackle the produce drawers, and this one's kind of gross. Looks like we had a sauce spill, but the drawers for this side of the fridge, and then we'll be ready to restock. Awesome.
I will stay, don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting for you. 'Cause I will stay waiting for you, and I will wait for you. I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what
Now we're going to go ahead and organize. Let's get this fridge looking nice.
let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time
We have grab and go hot sauces and stuff right here. We have our beef broth, lemon juice, lime juice. I organized our sauces on the top shelf. We have marinades back there. My husband's random Coke Zero. Jellies. We grab condiments more often. We grab barbecue sauce and dressing, so it's there. Don't judge my iced coffee addiction. I decided to put yogurts into one of the cooling tubs there, so we got some grab and go yogurts for me and the kids. My husband doesn't like eating that stuff. My kids' plethora of fresh berries, some applesauce, pineapple, eggs. We usually have some sort of pasta over here, so I put the garlic in the pasta sauce, vegetables, and I guess what you could consider fruit. And then organized our vitamins and milk type items. All right, let's move on to the cheese drawer. So this is the cheese drawer. It's a mess right now. It's completely disorganized. We're gonna get this thing all organized. I'm going to be moving things like hummus, obviously, up to the regular fridge. But yeah, let's do it.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't no...
Here's what I went with. Wiped down everything, got it all clean. Decided to organize cheeses on this side, meats, lunch meats, that sort of thing on this side. As far as the freezer goes, you guys, the bottom is all breast milk. I just organized that maybe a month ago, and I'm going to be doing it again soon by throwing in June and July's milk in here. So let's just focus on the top for now. I'll go ahead and wipe that down and then organize and get rid of a couple things we don't need.
What we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite.
Finished product. Still pretty full, which I'm thankful for, but it's clean now and everything is in its place. Other than our spaghetti squash, I gotta figure out where that's gonna go, but I'm gonna go ahead and make that here in a minute. So I'll just do a little bit of movement. Oh yeah, the freezer. Probably wondering, why does your freezer not have very much stuff in it? We have a freezer and a deep freezer in the garage as well. So we tend to keep meats and stuff out there. But yep, there you go. Decided to do a quick wipe down of the refrigerator, also using the method spray. And I'm going to also wipe down my countertops and vacuum my floors just to finish this off and have a nice clean kitchen. Never know what ended up on the floor after cleaning out a fridge.
Anyway, you guys, thank you for cleaning out my fridge with me today. Like and subscribe if it gave you some motivation to get in there and clean your own fridge, I guess. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.